Yeah, that was a crowded sale, Bonafide Hustler here, and we are outside of a church, and we just bought some stuff. Spent 90 bucks, bought these two bikes. Well, I think they're both Raleigh Venture bikes, and they have racks and all this cool stuff on it. So I think each bike could probably sell for like $250. Not a problem, both for 90 bucks. Welcome to the vlog, and let's start it right here. What's going on, guys? Chris the Bonafide Hustler coming to you live from the outside of the church. I know, I just woke up, and it was a pretty good sale. We found some cool things. $2 pair of boots right here that we're gonna put into the antique booth for like 30 or 40 bucks. Nothing crazy. If you want to learn how to do this stuff and sell, you know, predominantly used items that you can find at thrift stores, garage sales, swap meets, Facebook Marketplace, and churches, and you can flip it for more money, then get this free guide. First link down below. Go check it out. Follow me at the Bonafide Hustler on Instagram. What'd you find?
Just this lamp with a copper finish. And
Okay.
then
How much was the lamp?
3, and then this
Oh,
was 2.
$3. That's gonna do well in our booth. It kind of looks like a piece of bamboo, kind of in a weird way. Anyway, and then we got this purse that will probably do like 30, 40 in the booth for that. People like this kind of
It has
stuff.
a wallet also in there.
Okay.
But
So yeah,
I figured
how much
just
was
a
that?
set. This was $2.
So there we go. I found all that at that crazy church. Man, it was crazy in there. Oh my gosh. I mean, obviously you saw the footage, but we're gonna go see a couple more sales today and see if we can find anything cool. Come join the ride. Okay, the next garage sale should be right about here somewhere.
Destination is on your left.
Let's try this out. See if we find anything here. Could be pretty good. Didn't find anything that last one, but we're coming up on one here that looks pretty interesting. $1 per bag? Per bag? Dude, you could probably stuff a bunch in a bag.
Yeah, you did announce it, so there's a lot of people.
We did, no, we got.
Let us know if you're interested in that.
Definitely needs work. How much is it? Yeah, it needs a lot of TLC.
Yeah, it's supposed to be a good bike.
All right, so we did end up getting this first bike right here. I think it's gonna need a little bit of work, but it's probably gonna sell for like 150 or so. Bought it for 30 bucks, and it seems like it's gonna work okay. From what I can tell, it might just need a tube, but we're got a specialized hard rock comp right here. We're gonna do this for sure. All right, from that garage sale, my girlfriend bought 2 vintage Dooney purses for 20 bucks for both of them. Here's the first one, pretty cool. This will probably be in the booth for north of 50. And then this one's really cool. I like this one a lot. Well, I mean, you know what I'm saying. I can appreciate vintage purses. This is neat. And that was also 10 bucks. And this one will go in the booth for probably, north of 50. We don't know where that's gonna end up, but we know it's gonna be north of 50. It goes into the bin. We also have some experimental stuff that she's messing with. What
They
is
are
this?
pink. It's a full pink tea set with plates and everything that you possibly could have for a tea party. And I think some female that is doing some type of get together, like a sip and tea with their girls, would want a set like this.
How much you spend for this thing?
15 for everything.
Okay, so that appears to be a TBD. We don't know what that's gonna, if you have a tea party over there and you're watching this video, comment down below if you'll buy this from us for $500. $400. Okay, fine, $450. I mean, if you want to pay more, that's fine. Looks like Tea Party to Bucks is the next guide coming out. Next garage sale's right here. It looks kind of like a reseller, but I don't know. Let's check it out. Hey, check it out. Look what's in the air. Let's see what this is. No
Dutch oven's a little bit too.
What?
The Dutch oven's a little too.
Okay, I think we got 2 more garage sales, and then we're gonna go home, or maybe the farmer's market or something. But here's one right here. Check it out. All right, from that garage sale, 10 bucks. Saurus Bones 3 bike rack. Sells for about 50 bucks in town. We got this leather back for 10 bucks. This will go in the booth. North of 50, probably shake out around 70 bucks for this one. Girlfriend got a backpack for herself, and then we got a free bike frame, which I'll use for pedals and probably seat, and it has a carbon fork. So I'll probably take that off too and just sell that and then donate the rest. Cool knife. Oh, this is cool. Got a duffel. Good old North Face duffel. How much is the bag? Just curious.
$20 on the bag.
Okay. Okay, girlfriend and I, for 30 bucks, we popped on these 2, I think they're elk antlers. Those usually sell in the booth pretty decent for about maybe 30 to 50 a piece. And then I got this North Face duffel bag that you probably saw in the shot. This duffel bag could locally sell for probably, I don't know, 50 to 100, does have embroidery on it. But I do think I'll keep it because this one, weather resistant, and it's good to have these so you can put them outside your vehicle. For my truck, there's a rack on top. So, you know, having bags like this is really, really important. And then we got a TI 84 Plus pink calculator, which I will take off that right there, test it when I get home, should work out just fine. And this usually sells for like 40 to 50 locally right here. So that was all 30 bucks. Not too bad of a deal. So after that, it was pretty much the day. I went to a farmer's market. The bikes ended up being really awesome. The red one needs a little bit of work, but the first 2 in the church garage sale that we bought they were flawlessly working. There were no weird sounds. I mean, and they had fenders on them. And you know, it just looked like they hadn't been used that much. Although they were racked out, fendered out, like they had all kinds of cool stuff on it. But at the end of the day, it is still 2 Raleigh Venture bikes, and they will probably shake out 200 to 250 a piece. I really like the North Face duffel bag that I got. You saw it in the last shot. And I might decide to sell that thing locally. Who knows? But I think, yeah, 50 to about 100 on that is about accurate. But check this out. For being a day where there were only really 4 or 5 garage sales to see, plus that church garage sale, I didn't think it was that bad of a day. What do you think out there? Let me know down below. Put a comment, please. And let's see where the next garage sales are going to take us in the future. And I'm still building the garage sale guide. It's going to be awesome. I'm over halfway through it, so this is going to be a great guide. I'm trying to get it out before community and neighborhood-wide garage sale season. I'm trying so hard. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. And if you did, leave a comment. And I will see you on the next one. Take it easy. Goodbye.